Hey guys, welcome to Pattaya. So we've come down to Pattaya, which is about 2 hours south of Bangkok, and we've got a place at this really awesome apartment. We picked up a really great deal here actually. It was only $16 a night. We've got a little apartment with a bed, a little balcony, a kitchenette and a really nice bathroom as well. The best part about this whole complex is this enormous pool. It runs right around the entire complex. It even has water slides, so let's go check that out.
Where are you heading? Why ain't gravity pulling you in closer to me? I've lost you, but I need you, and you're off my radar now. I've lost you, telling you that I need you, but you're off my radar now. Found myself in between the lines, underneath your bed sheets. It started fun, but now I'm into deep into this flow. A zero-sum game that I will lose. There's no zipping past it. Every time you walk away from me, I want you. How could I want you more? Or when did I lose my perspective? Oh God, have I lost it? But my cravings for you so shameless, can't get enough. I've lost you, but I need you, and you're off my radar now. I've lost you, telling you that I need you, but you're off my radar.
There's also a restaurant on site which has pretty good value food. It's not super expensive, it's not super cheap either, but it's got reasonably priced beers, which you can drink at the swim up bar there as well. So Pattaya itself has got a bit of a reputation as being a bit of a seedy underbelly of Thailand, and if you're looking for that sort of thing you can definitely find it in town. We did go for a walk through the night streets, and it's a mix of go-go bars and strip clubs, as well as just regular bars and restaurants and family-friendly places. So it can be a family-friendly place if you want. There's a lot of theme parks and aquariums and water parks and things like that around here, and the main beach down at Jomiten, which is where we're staying, seems to be a fairly family-friendly place.
Yeah, I lost you, but I need you, and you're off my radar now. I've lost you.
Well guys, for our last night in Pattaya, we've come out to a local restaurant for a delicious curry. Thank you so much for watching guys. I hope you've enjoyed the video as much as we've enjoyed being in Pattaya. Don't forget to hit that like button down below, and also don't forget to subscribe, and we'll catch you guys next time. Bye!